What is up, everybody? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how to record your iPhone screen with a built-in iOS screen recorder. So to get right into it, the thing is Apple put it in without kind of telling anyone, and it's available now. And there's a few like bugs kind of with it that it has, which I'm going to make another video on how to get rid of those. But currently, I'm just going to show you how exactly you can record your iOS screen or iPhone screen. I believe this is iOS 10 and up or iPhone 7 and up as well. So all you have to do is once you go into settings, you have to go to Control Center. And once you're in Control Center, you have to click on Customize Controls. In here, it says Screen Recording. This will probably be in more controls, and all you need to essentially do is drag it up. Once you drag it up, just either plus it up or basically plus it, and it'll get turned onto the top. And then you can just move it and place it where you want to, whatever. Mine's at the bottom, so I like it here. Once you have that done, as you can see from the top right, when you scroll it down, you can see on the bottom left, right under the flashlight, my thing is red. That means it's currently recording. And obviously, as you can see, this is recording. And the only other thing I'm going to suggest and recommend to you, I don't want to do it yet because I think it might mess it up. If you hold down the record button, press it down with the excessive touch, or not the excessive touch, what is it called? The thing they added with the haptic touch, sorry. So you press it down, squeeze it down, a pop, like this, a pop-up option will come up where it'll say, do you want to record your microphone? That is obviously a yes, if you want to. Like right now, I am doing it with my microphone on. If obviously I don't have that on, it won't record the microphone audio. Now, the only downside to that is, for some odd reason, I don't know why Apple won't fix this, because this has been happening for across a couple of iOSs now. Once you upload it to YouTube, it won't go. The audio will fill for just YouTube for some reason, and a few other devices. It's because of the audio conversion. I believe it uses this different type of audio, so it doesn't go on the video. It's something very weird. The video itself will have it, but that won't. It's odd. Don't ask me why. But I'll show you in another video. But overall, this is how you record your iPhone screen. So overall, I hope this was informative for you guys, and overall like the video. So definitely give it a thumbs up if it was. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, and you want me to make a video on something else, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.